In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
And once you open it for the first time, it's going to look like this. As long as you're logged into your account, you're going to see a few different things. Now, your normal place is going to be your suggestions and a place for all your files. So if you press the little plus icon in the bottom right, you can upload a file, scan a document, take a photo, create a folder, and just do more things with like Google Docs, Sheet, and Slides. Now, if you have starred things, like really important things, they're going to display here. Anything that was shared to you, like let's say someone sent you a link and it was a Google Drive link or a Google Doc link, it's all going to show up here, so you can filter it by date, name, all of that stuff. And then of course, overall, your files are going to be here as well. If you have connected to like a different device, like a PC or anything, and you've done, sync, like synced your folders and everything, your synced files are also going to be displayed here. But over here, you can look through your recent uploads, offline, spam, and bin. And by default, you have 15 gig of storage, but you can buy more as well. And I think it's pretty cheap as well to get more storage. But it's simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.